Today I'm going to be unboxing the Amaran 200X-S LED light. So let's get into the video. Got the little sticker here. Let's pull that back. It just says aperture on it. Pop this open. First, we've got some stickers and some manuals and stuff, and telling us to download the Sidus Link app. This is a super cool app that allows you to control all of your aperture lights and Amaran lights in one place. Here inside, you can see we've got the power brick right here. Wow, this is much bigger than the 100D that I'm using right now. Got the other end of that power brick, and this is a locking connector. There we go. Find this to be a little bit harder to unbox than the 100D, but there it is. It's basically the 100D that I've got now, except it's 200 watts, so it's going to be brighter, and it's bicolor. I've never had a bicolor light from Aperture before, other than the little light bulb and the light back there, and that's a full color light, so it's not really the same. Back, this is a nice little foam thing. If you want to use the box to package everything up and use it as a carrying case, you can do that. Unlike the nicer Aperture lights from the Lightstorm series, those come in with a nice carrying case, but this doesn't, but it's way cheaper. So here we've got the light itself. Let's just plug it in and see how bright it is. This should be about as bright as the 300D that I've used before. I believe it's actually 250 watts, not 200 watts. But just to make the branding simple, I think they just stayed with 200D. Let's pop this in. There we go. Okay, let's plug this in. There we go. Whoa. That is bright. Okay, this is 4300 Kelvin, and we should just be able to adjust it 100% to warm, and then cool. I like that it gets so warm because you could use this as a nice warm light. Just point at my face. There's 200 watts for you. That's really bright. Now, we can put on the hyper reflector onto this thing, and it'll beam the light to one spot, really. It's an area, but it's more of a spot. So that's, oh, that's too much. That's really bright. Now, it should probably get brighter at the medium point, so that would probably be 4300 Kelvin. Oh, no, yeah, that's really bright. You can see that, it probably just washes everything out. I can see inside the lens from where I'm at, which is pretty neat. Now I am noticing that this is a little bit noisier than the 100, so you can hear it right here. So that's pretty much it for this video, just a quick unboxing. So if you want to pick this light up for yourself, you know what you're getting. Some stickers, a little manual, a little cover, little bits of plastic and cheap stuff that you don't need, and then the power brick and light and reflector. I would recommend if you're doing it for studio work to get something like the Aperture Light Dome SE, but preferably the Aperture Light Dome 2. It's a lot easier to set up, but it's going to be a little bit more expensive than the SE. That's pretty much it for this video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you have any ideas or questions about this light that you would like me to test out in a full review. But before we go, I want to tell you about today's sponsor,
Motion Array. If you're a content creator like myself and want to level up your video production, check out Motion Array. With pre-made transitions, templates, audio effects, and even plugins, Motion Array has everything you need to make your videos look better. To get $50 off your annual subscription, check out the link below. Thank you to Motion Array for sponsoring the channel, and back to the video.
We made it to the end of the video, and that's awesome. If you want to watch another video, there's one right over here and two below me. And let us know in the comment section down below what videos we should make.